If you want to get more samples for the Amazon Influencer Program from brands sent to you, this video is for you. I'm going to go over 5 ways you can start getting more samples. I've gotten a bunch of DMs lately asking about people are getting less and less samples sent to them from brands. So I kind of outlined 5 different strategies you could use to get more. I am on average getting a ton of packages delivered to me every single week. So I know these strategies work. If you're new to the channel, my name is John. I've made over 3,800 Amazon influencer videos and have made a lot of money in commissions. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the number one thing you could do, in my opinion, and number 5 will be a sneaky one, so stick around for that, is your pitch. So when you're in Creator Connections, if you're not familiar, you're going to scroll through, you're going to click on whatever you want, open that up. In the top right-hand corner, there will be a message button that you could click, and you could type your message in there. If you're using Viral View, you could set up templates and send the message automatically. Regardless, you're going to want to have a strong pitch in there. When I first started doing the Amazon Influencer Program, my pitch was basically like, hey, do you send free samples? I'd love to make a video for you. Here is my address. That was literally the pitch. Not very good. Did I get samples? Yes, I did get stuff sent to me, but the pitch sucked. Now my pitch is, hey, something like this. Hey, I came across your Amazon brand. You guys deserve to stick out on Amazon. And one of the best ways to do that is to have an influencer make a high quality video that lives on your product page. My name is John. I'm a platinum influencer. I've done over 3,800 videos. I've generated over $2 million in revenue for brands just like yourself. And I would love to make a video for you. Do you send samples for content creation? If so, I'd love to work with you and I could send you my address. It typically takes about a week for me to make the video once I receive the product. Here is my Amazon influencer page. Here is my Instagram, and here is my YouTube. I'd love to work with you. If you're interested, let me know. Much, much different, a much better pitch. You would say I show that I know what I'm doing, made 3,800 videos, which generated 2 million in revenue. These brands care about sales. They want to know that your video will drive sales for them. That is what they care about the most. And secondly, they want a nice video on that product page. So even if you don't have the sales, but you make high quality videos, they will send you samples. You just have to get creative with how you ask. It's like, oh, John, well, I don't have 3,800 videos. No big deal. You got to work with what you have. Maybe you have a pet, so you just target pet stuff. You just got to work with what you have. Do your best. Number 2, your status. So the Amazon has the star system, and there's bronze, there's silver, there's gold, and there's platinum. So platinum is the highest. There's a new kind of trend emerging where these brands only want to work with gold and platinum influencers. Now, don't let that discourage you. Before we get into that, I wanted to let you know I created a totally free guide to get approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, how to scale it up, how I literally went from $0 to $50,000 in just Amazon commissions alone. There'll be a link down below. The guide is absolutely free. It's about 33-ish pages, and I have a whole video walking you through the whole guide. So if you want to start making money on the Amazon Influencer Program, definitely click the link below. My dad is neither one. He is silver, and he is getting plenty of samples. I know my best friend just hit silver. He's getting plenty of samples. Not as much as I am, but they're still getting samples. And the only way to do that, we'll talk about it in a second. But what you have to do is you have to have 1,000 points to hit platinum. And according to Amazon, that is $100 in shipped revenue. You get 1 point for that. And for every 1,000 clicks you generate, you get 1 point as well. If you were just doing it based on revenue, this is just at the time of making this video, you'd have to have about $100,000 in revenue in the 3 months, which isn't too bad to do, especially if you're making videos. So that's just to put that out there. So just keep making videos, keep making sales, and that will help bump up your status. And it is based on a quarterly basis. So that's number 2. Number 3 is sending more messages. I know a lot of people who have viral view, and if you don't know what that is, I'll drop a link in the description. You can go check it out. But basically, viral view will give you 20 messages that you could send a day with their template. So a lot of people will say, hey, I send the 20 messages every day with viral view. I don't understand why I'm not getting a lot of samples. Well, the reason is people you're competing with are sending 60, 100 messages a day, and they're using tools to kind of help like viral view to send that many messages. Now, do you have to send that many messages? No, but just for easy numbers, if if you're sending 20 messages a day and I'm sending 60, I'm sending 3 times more than you. So my chances of getting more and more samples increase drastically. So you really need to just be sending a ton of messages and just keep going. That is kind of the name of the game. You just can't send 20 messages a day and just kind of be like, oh, I'm not really getting anything. And that's if you're doing it every day. Like if you're doing it 7 days a week, that's 140 messages. If you're only working on this thing 3 days and you're sending 20 messages, that's 60 messages. And kind of keep in mind, your hit rate could be anywhere from 10 to 20%. I would say more lean on the 10% side. So 10%, if you're sending 20 messages, that's about 2 products that you're going to get. So keep that in mind. If you send 100, that's about 10. And then times that by 4, let's just say, if you're doing this like 5 days a week, you're going to have a lot of packages every month. Number 4, I really like this one a lot. Search creator connections. So a lot of people will go onto creator connections, they'll hit newest, or it defaults to recommended up there. And whatever appears, that's what they start messaging the brands with. One of the better things you could do is actually use the search bar to your advantage. A great example too is look for stuff that you have that other people might have. Like a good example of this is an iPad. So I have an iPad. I like it a lot. And if you search iPad in Creator Connections, there's all sorts of cases. There's keyboards. There's all sorts of stuff and accessories that go with it. They have the pencils. They have everything there. Why I like this strategy is not everyone has an iPad, right? So you have a little moat there. And then if you can make good iPad content, these brands will send you more stuff. And it is a great way to kind of separate yourself. Another good example could be kitchen stuff. If you can make good kitchen videos, there is tons and tons of stuff in that kitchen niche that brands will send you. Now, maybe they're not going to send you like a cookware set right off the bat, especially if you don't have a lot of videos. But you could really get your feet wet. Searching is great too because you're going to miss some stuff. There is, as of this morning, almost 500,000 products in Creator Connections. So it's impossible every day. Even if you're in there every day, you're going to miss some stuff. So search for things and search for things you make good content with, because that will drive brands to want to work with you as well. If you make good content, they're more than willing to send you stuff as well, regardless of how much sales you generated or maybe how many videos you've made. And number 5, this is one of the easiest low-level things you could do. It is when you work with a brand and it goes well, you like their products, before you send them the video and say, hey, I made the video for you, look at their store and see if there's anything else you want. I would say, hey, I always say, thanks so much for sending your product. You have a great product. Here is the video. If you like this video, I would love to make some other videos of this stuff in your store if you're willing to send samples. Super easy. they already work with you, they already have your address, they know what type of video you make. So if you made a good video, more likely than not, they will send you another product. Now, why this is also great too is you are building a relationship with this brand. And a lot of people just, they get a charger just like this and they're just like, okay, thank you. And they move on. But if they have 5 other chargers, a lot of people aren't going to ask for them. So I could do all 5 of their chargers, and you're building a relationship with this brand, and they already know I do high quality work and my videos drive sales. So they're more than willing to do that. So do not be afraid to reach out when you're sending your video, ask if they have anything else to review. And something I might experiment doing a little bit is going back to people I've already made videos for, be like, hey, do you have anything else you need videos for? Or look myself and say, hey, I would love to make a video for this. We worked together in the past and went really well. Would you be willing to send a sample? And I'm telling you, that is one of the best ways to get samples because the brand already knows you make high quality work or they liked your video in the past. So those are the 5 ways to get more videos from creator connections. I'll throw in a bonus because I just thought about this is make idea lists at the top of your page. So what you could do is you could make a list. I think they're called idea lists. And basically what you could do is you could add videos to them. So you could do like kitchen stuff and you could put every kitchen video that you've made. You could do, let's just say chargers. So you could do portable chargers, be like, great chargers. And then you could put in all the videos you've done for chargers or rope chargers or whatever. This way you have a library. So if you pitch this phone charger company, let's just say, and they happen to go to your storefront and you have an idea board with all the phone chargers you've ever done, they could literally just click through those videos real quick and see you make really good phone charger videos, and they're more than willing to work with you. Or you could even send them that link in your message. Be like, hey, I'd really love to do a video for this charger. I've reviewed over 30 other chargers. Here are those videos. And the brand could open that link. So there's a bonus for you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you want a free guide to help you with the Amazon Influencer Program, I will put a link to that down below. It is totally free. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.